thinking of starting an underground storage tank business, you are going to need to know about the licenses and permits required to operate legally. In this video, we will cover the licenses and permits you will need to get your business up and running. Before we begin, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications so you can stay updated about topics that can benefit your business. Also, keep in mind that our organization's licensing experts can take care of every step in this video on your behalf. Now, the first step is to check with your local regulatory agency to find out what permits and licenses are required in your area. Depending on your location, you may need to obtain a permit to install an underground storage tank or even a permit to operate a tank. You will then need to complete a permit application form, which will require information about the tank, the location of the tank, and your business information. The application will also require you to demonstrate that you are capable of operating the tank safely and in compliance with all applicable laws and regulations. Once you have obtained the necessary permits, you will need to have the tank inspected on a regular basis. The inspection process will include checking for leaks, testing the tank for integrity, and ensuring that the tank is in compliance with all safety regulations. In addition to permits and inspections, your business may also need to obtain certification from a third-party organization. This certification will demonstrate that your tank meets all safety and environmental standards and is compliant with all applicable laws and regulations. At a minimum, underground storage tank businesses must have a state-level license from their respective Department of Environmental Quality and possibly also a permit from the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. Depending on the services and products they provide, underground storage tank businesses may also need additional licenses or permits, such as asbestos abatement contractor licenses and hazardous material removal certification. Plus, if you are driving an underground storage tank with a trailer, and there are more than 3 axles, you will need a DOT number. Why do we point this out? Because it is the law. Having the number can help you avoid big-time fines and penalties. Starting an underground storage tank business can be a complex process, but with the right licenses and permits, you can operate your business safely and in compliance with all applicable laws and regulations. If you have any questions or concerns about the licensing process, be sure to reach out to the experts at legalregistration.com. We are standing by to secure permits and licenses on your behalf right now. Feel free to give us a call at 877-955-7111. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business. Also, we would love to hear your feedback and answer any questions that you have. So go ahead and drop a comment below.